SMCI stock analysis and SMCI stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end. I have been in the market for 4 years, 5 years. I've done 40,000 videos, and over that time period, I've seen what's actually making me money and what's not. And all that is documented on my YouTube channel. No one else has done it. With all that to say, is that higher time frame actually I'm just aiming for like 66 bucks, right? Which is not that far away from 41. Very like realistic. To keep it simple and clear. From here, you can see I was waiting for some sort of a long opportunity, which I could just 100% tell you that resulted in a -1R. And with all that to say is that the idea of me just trying to hope to long yet again is still here. But this is like this -1R is part of the game. It is gonna happen. And I mean, I just recently got like a dub here, but if there's no sort of confirmation, then buying, it's not going to be on my plate. So I'll keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.